So, you've been told that you clench or grind your teeth, or maybe you just noticed yourself. You know, your teeth are super ground down or your jaw really hurts. How do you stop this? Nasty little habits. Clearly, I'm not an actress. Anyway, let's talk about it. So first things first, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around for instructions on how to enter. Now, the first thing you need to do with clenching or grinding, regardless of whether you do it during the day or at night, is to release the tension or relieve the tension in your jaw muscles. And you can do that a couple of ways. Start with some massages. Find your jaw muscles. Generally speaking, if you clench a lot, you'll be able to find them right away. They're pretty tender. But you want to just kind of find them and massage them for 5 seconds. And then open your mouth wide as you can for 5 seconds. And then massage for 5 seconds, and open for 5 seconds. And you want to do that 3 times in a row, 3 times a day, more if you need to or if you can handle it. But basically just to kind of help release that tension and relax these jaw muscles. The other thing you can do is do some warm compresses. So either get like a clean sock with some rice in it, or maybe even some hand warmers. Just make sure with those they can get pretty hot. But basically just put a warm sock or the hot pockets. Somebody's hungry. Hand warmers on your cheeks here. Maybe do it at night before bed just to kind of help really relax the muscles. And then the other thing too is magnesium supplements really help to relax muscles as well. Now, this is not medical advice. Definitely talk to your provider, especially if you have certain medical conditions or if you're taking medications. Talk to your provider about supplementing with magnesium. Just FYI, there are a few different types of magnesium. The highest quality one is magnesium glycinate. And by highest quality, I mean the one that causes least diarrhea, for lack of a better word. Soft stool, I suppose. But yeah, magnesium glycinate. Right now what I'm taking is reacted magnesium. It has magnesium glycinate and it's kind of already reacted, I guess. So it absorbs better into your body. But anyway, taking magnesium supplements at the end of the day before bed can kind of help relax all your muscles, including your jaw muscles, especially if you're a clencher or grinder. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is forming a new habit called lips together, teeth apart. So if you're not chewing, your teeth should actually not be touching each other. So how do you do that? Well, you can use your tongue as a buffer, sort of like this. So it doesn't have to be a super noticeable thing like just a very small, like, look, I'm doing it right now. And you can't even tell, right? But the point is, when your teeth aren't touching, you're not able to clench your jaw, right? So it's really important to try to form this new habit. One of the ways you can do that is by setting alarms throughout the day. Maybe like every hour, just set an alarm to remind yourself to relax your jaw, maybe do some massages and keep your teeth apart with your tongue. Keep those alarms going until you form that habit of keeping your teeth apart. One other thing you should consider investing in if you're an avid clencher or grinder, especially at nighttime, is a night guard. The custom fit ones at the dentist fit the best. Of course, they are the most expensive option as well. But the point of a night guard is to keep your teeth a little bit more apart so that you don't have that capacity to really clench your teeth, but it also helps to kind of distribute the forces. This is why a custom fit night guard is generally speaking better than over-the-counter stuff, because sometimes over-the-counter stuff doesn't cover all your teeth, and so you end up kind of messing up your jaw alignment and stuff like that. So if you're not sure you clench or grind at night, maybe get an over-the-counter one temporarily to see if it helps, and then consider saving up and investing for a custom fit night guard. I think they run, at least where I'm at, probably around like $500 or something like that. Now I want to switch gears real quick and talk about a couple of causes for clenching and grinding your teeth. The first cause, one that maybe goes a little bit under the radar, is actually your jaw malalignment. If your top teeth and your bottom teeth don't come together perfectly, it doesn't feel comfortable, so we tend to clench our teeth or grind them to kind of get them into the right position. So if you thought braces were just for pretty straight teeth, think again. There's so much more to orthodontic treatment than cosmetics. I don't know where you are financially or age-wise in terms of getting braces, but maybe talk to your dentist next time around if you do have a severe problem with clenching and grinding or jaw malalignment, to see if you can get some sort of emergency orthodontic treatment to get your teeth into a little bit of a better position to help stop with the clenching or grinding. Another pretty big cause I'm sure you're probably aware of for clenching or grinding is stress. Surprise, surprise. Now, I won't get into all the different ways you can deal with stress. I'm sure there are entire channels dedicated to stress relief and meditation and figuring out ways to deal with stress. But I do want to leave you guys with one tidbit, and that is if you take any sort of stress medications or anti-anxiety medications, basically any SSRIs or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, inhibitors, sorry, blah, 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 is those actually can contribute to more clenching and grinding. So this is not me telling you to stop taking your medications, but just be aware that if you're trying all these exercises and doing all these things and it's not helping and you're taking anti-anxiety medications, those may be the root cause for the clenching and grinding. All right, well, there you have it. I feel like that was pretty fast. Feel free to rewatch this if you need to, but let's move on to the giveaway. So for this month's giveaway, I will be giving away all of my favorite dental products, including one of my new favorite products, a toothpaste called David's Toothpaste. It's got hydroxyapatite, no fluoride, no SLS. In fact, stay tuned for a review video on this toothpaste I'll be doing pretty soon here. But anyway, if you guys want to enter into this month's giveaway, a couple of rules. First, you have to live in the United States or have a US postal address. And then if you live in the United States, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment below this video, and include this emoji in your comment, just so I know you're not just commenting, but you actually want to enter the giveaway. And then check back next week to see if you won. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.